Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. This is the sixth video on Java Swing, and in this video we will discuss how to create table in Java Swing. So in Java Swing has a component called JTable which is used to show data in rows and column like Excel. So for displaying JTable we need three things. First one is JFrame. This is the main window. Second thing is JTable for creating tables like rows and column, and third one is JScrollPane for scrolling. And after using these three things we create such a simple tables having three columns and multiple rows. Okay, so for creating such a tables we switch to Eclipse IDE for creating tables. So here I open Eclipse IDE. So I create new project, click on file, new Java project, and give the project name is Swing Apps. Okay, and then finish and click on Swing Apps project, click on SRC, right click on SRC, new package. So here I create new package com.java.swing. Okay, and then finish. So here a package is created. Now right click on package and create new class and give the class name is table. Okay, and click on public static void main and then finish. So here our table class is created in Java. So now I want to create main window using JFrame. So using JFrame class, we can create its object. So I create its object JFrame. Using JFrame class, give its reference frame is equal to new JFrame and give its name of this main window is Windows. Okay, and import JFrame. So then we have to set its size using set size method. In set size, we want to give its width and height. So here I give its width nearly 400 and 300. Okay, so here I create main window using JFrame. After I want to create JTable table. Okay, so before creating table, firstly I want to create its column names. Okay, so column names like ID, name, age. You want, you can give column name. So firstly I want to declare column name. So here I use string array for declaring columns names and give column name reference of variable column name, and here I declare column name like ID, name, age in double quote. Okay, so here I declare column name string array, and after we want to declare data which are show in our tables. For declaring tables data, we have to declare string type two-dimensional array and give name its data. Its reference is data and give data in curly braces. So first one is ID. So in double quote I give ID, then name and age. In this way we can give tables data. Okay, after declaring tables data, we have to create JTable. Using JTable object, give reference is table, create its object using new keyword JTable. Okay, and pass tables data and column name. So here I pass its reference, data and column names. Okay, and import here JTable. Okay, so in this way we create JTable, its object, pass its data and column name. And after we have to create JScrollPane for scrolling. So here I create its object, scroll is equal to new JScrollPane, and pass our table reference table and pass our table reference to JScrollPane and import this JScrollPane. Okay, and after that add this JScrollPane to our main window JFrame. So its reference is frame dot add components, and using add components we have to add this JScrollPane reference. Okay, and then last one thing is set visible. Our main window is set visible. So using set visible method, we have to give true value for this visible, screen visible. Okay, so in this way, firstly, we have to create object of JFrame, then its set its size, then declare column name, declare its table's data, and then create JTable object, give its data and column names, and then this table's reference, JTable reference passed to the JScrollPane object, and then last, in our main windows JFrame, its reference is frame to, and add this scroll pan reference to our main window, and the last thing is set visible our main window. Okay, now I save this project, run this project. Okay, so in this way our table is created with columns and data.